team members. Let's have the first group. Jerry, Cotanilla, Ocampo. So you are the first group. Let's have the second group. Bea, yes. And last one before. Girls versus girls. Okay. So here's your pills. So there are the scotch tape. Okay? Start. Timer starts now.
Oy, Katrina!
Okay, the winner will receive 10,000 cash. So group number 2, please come forward. Get your shirts. So Victor, can you arrange this here? MJ, can you remove? Chance. So what you just formed is what's called what? Anyone? What? Yes. What you just formed is an example of what? Yes. A letter. So what is a letter? Again, what is a letter? Anyone? What is a letter? MJ, what is a letter? Other hands, what is a letter? Miss, any idea? What is a letter? Yes. So it is freedom to express your feelings, awareness matters. What else? What is a letter? Union. Other hands. Ocampo.
It is the way to express your feelings by handwritten or typewritten.
So again, it's to express your feelings. So a letter can be written or typed via email or messenger. So that's it. It can be written or typed. So you already know that, right? Yeah. Letter. So a letter has a part. let's have the first one, heading Shiny Reef, Loud and Clear. J. So contains the address of the writer and the date the letter was written. So in here, where is the heading? Okay, this is the heading. So any question about the heading? Let's have the second one, inside address, read loud and clear.
Inside address includes the name and full address or the company.
So can you find an inside address here?
Yes.
Oh. Are you sure? Correct. Okay, correct. This is inside address. Third one, salutation. Like read. Easy one. So it is the greeting to the beginning of the letter. So where is it? Fourth one, we have the body of the letter. So it contains whatever you want to say. So it's self-explanatory. So this is the body. Complementary clause. Victor. Read first. So can you point where is the complementary clause? So aside from respectfully yours, what are the other words used, complementary clause used in a letter? Yes, sir.
Truly yours.
Truly yours. Let's have another one. Miss. You're loving. Yes. Sincerely yours. Last one. Is there any? Truly yours, respectfully yours. Yours truly. What else? Given. How about sincerely?
Yes.
Sincerely yours. Okay, for the last one, signature. So, where will you put the signature part? What part of the name? It is written above the name of the writer. So, everything is clear with you. So, let's move on. So now, if a letter has a part, it also has styles or forms. So it has 3 styles or forms, which are black form, modified black form, and full block. So black form, the heading is written or flashed. Wow. Flashed in what part? Right part. How about the inside address? So left, same with salutation and the what else? Body, and the rest of the 2 complementary clause signature is in the right side. So now let's move on to modify black form. Who can explain the difference between the two? should have an indentation. So that's the only difference. But the full block form, all parts flash the left side. So everything's clear with you. Are you sure? Any question? So now let's move on to the two classifications of the letter. So the first one is business letter. So this one is an example of a business letter. So business letter is written for companies, organizations, and clients. So it's actually in a formal in nature. Okay? Understood?
Yes.
Again, business letter is a formal one and for companies, organizations, and clients. So I have here another jumbled letter, and this is another type of classification of a letter. So I need two representatives to arrange this. MJ, Jerry. So arrange it accordingly. Hurry up. Okay. Did they arrange it correctly? So they are actually correct. So now, what we just formed is an example of a social letter. So now a social letter is written for friends, families, or loved ones. It is actually informal in nature. So what do you notice in the salutations of the both classification of the letter? What do you notice about the salutation part? Anyone? What do you notice? Are they the same? Yes. What do you notice about the salutation? Social letter. Salutation only. So, in business letter, the salutation part should be Sir or Madam with a colon. So while in a social letter, dear or ever dearest or my dear. And put comma only. So that's the difference between the salutation part. How about the inside address? What do you notice about the inside address? Yes. Okay, correct. So when you are to write a business letter, don't forget to write an inside address. While if you're going to write a social letter, eliminate an inside address. Understood? Okay. So now let's have the times. So we will not discuss all of this tomorrow, so we will continue the rest tomorrow. I mean, we will not discuss this now, but tomorrow. Okay? So here are the types. We have the application, invitation, excuse, congratulatory, and request. So let's go back to the examples given here. So kindly read everyone. So what do you think is the type of that letter? Yes, so it's an application letter. So what do you think is an application letter? This is for what? What for? For applying a job or finding a job? Before graduation or after your graduation. So application letter should grab the employee's attention if you want to be hired in their company or your chosen job or chosen school to apply in. Understood? So let's have the second one. Read everyone. Okay, what do you think is the type of letters? So in complimentary notes, we can also use best regards. What do you think? So it's what again? Yes. Okay, an invitation letter. So an invitation letter An invitation letter can be formal and informal in nature depending to whom you will send the letter. Okay? So for example, if you're going to invite a friend or a family, that's informal. But if you're going to invite a very important person or the president, etc., that would be a business letter or a formal one. Okay, understood? So get your notebooks. Get your notebooks now. You will not copy this. So here in the business letter, what form or style was used here? Modified blank form here. So they arrange it both in modified blank form. Remember people, you can use the 3 different styles or forms. Okay. So on your notebook, exercise number 2. So number your papers 1, 2, 4. 4. Go. Wow. At the back, yes. Exercise number 2. So all you have to do is to identify what type, what classification, what type, what form or style was used. Okay? Identify those. So all in all, 6 items. Answer only. This recorded. Yes, question.
Classification, type, and then
Style or form? So, before, what are the types given to you a while ago? What are they? The first 2 types that I gave to you. Application and so we're done with the 2 types. So now we are down into the last 2. Okay? So let's have the first one. What is the classification of this? formal in nature. So to whom do you submit an excuse letter? Teacher or professor. So it explains a sincere apology why you are absent and includes the days. Okay? The days when you are absent in the subject. Understood? Let's have the second one. Classification. Type. So this is another type of letter. Congratulatory letter is written to friends, business associates, and employees who have a good progress. Okay, if you want to congratulate anyone. So the classification can be business or social. So you wrote, what is your answer? What is your answer here? What classification? Social. So it can also be a business letter. So any of the two. Again, congratulatory and invitation can be formal and informal in nature, okay? Any question? So for our last activity, get one sheet of paper. It will be pasted on your portfolio. Get one sheet of paper. Going to arrange this. So whatever style you want, okay, arrange it accordingly by part and put what we did here. Put a part each. For example, you arrange this. So put an arrow. For example, salutation. Put an arrow. Or parentheses under. Arrow or parentheses.
Open notes,
Stupid.
So in heading, I will explain. In heading, it can also be date only. Date with address or date only. Above the letter, classification and type. So this one would be the If there's a missing punctuation, put some. Okay, done?
Yes. Yes.
comes first?